Hello, hello. It's Jane from Chalk Mercantile and Surface Anthology. How are you guys doing? I am finishing up let me get these out of the way because what I'm going to show you today is how to finish this little zinc pots tutorial with the Iron Orchid molds. And I'm going to show you the gallery, my little miniature gallery board. And I will post pictures of this so you can see the whole thing together. I just can't get it all in my camera. But all of the little frames are painted with silver and then gold leafed, gilded. I flooded all the cameos, and if you go back to the last tutorial, and again, I'm going to put these on my YouTube channel, Surface Anthology, so you can go and check them out all together. But I flooded the cameos with the gray wash, but it's really pretty, and I did a tiny bit of distressing around the edge with a sanding block. So I love it, and I'm going to post a nice big picture of it, so be sure to check back. And we'll put this aside. And now, last we met, my I was using the transfers, Iron Orchid transfers, and I tried to put them on, and it just didn't work. My mold was wet. It was the whole thing. It wasn't painted. So I've got a whole other thing I'm going to do today. And before I do that, I want to show you how I kind of put a wash. I put a wash onto this little zinc pot. And you can see the difference. I didn't want it to be as raw as this one, so I needed to kind of knock it down, but I did want to see the metal underneath. So I mixed up a little wash, and I'm going to show you how I did that. And then we'll put the decoupaged flowers on there. And by the way, I'm getting the tissues. People have been asking about the tissues. So I'm getting those in to my Chalk Mercantile. Go to chalkmercantile.com. That's where you can buy all the supplies that I use. So I'll be getting a few of these in, and you'll be able to pick them up. And I'll post about it. I will send out a newsletter. So you can, when you're there, you could sign up for my newsletter. Just put your name down there for the essential planner printable, and you'll be on my newsletter. All right, so what I did is I mixed up this really pale gray wash. I mean, it's really a white with a gray tint. And all you do, I've got my artist brush. All you do is paint this on. I'm leaving the insides plain. It doesn't matter how you paint it on because we're going to do a little blotting. And then I'm using a shop towel, the last one, and I just kind of blot it. And you see that just lifts off enough to soften the metal. And as it dries, you'll see more of the wash effect. So just brush it on and blot it off. Like that. And I'll just finish this really fast. I don't know if I'm going to finish it either. I might do a coat of wax to protect this when I'm done. In fact, that is what I'm going to do because I want to make it a little bit durable. So I'm going to be actually using these little tins. And why not make, you know, little organizers really pretty? Okay, and then we go right around the Iron Orchid Frames mold, which I love, love, love. And for those of you that are into Christmas ornaments, you keep hearing me say this, my Merry Makers Ornaments of the Month subscription box, you have until the 31st to get in on it, and the one you'll be getting delivered in November, which I can't believe it's already November, is going to have the Iron Orchid cameo molds as part of the ornament, a whole brick of clay, and we're going to make some really, really beautiful ornaments. All right, so that's all you do, and then I'll dry it for you so you can see. See how it starts to kind of whiten up as it dries. So if you do this and it looks really transparent, just wait until you dry it. And be careful as you heat up the metal. And that gives these little zinc pots just some age, some wear, like they've been outside. All right, now, because I have to put something in the middle of those frames molds, I'm going to use, I decided on the tissue with the flowers. So I'm going to open up the tissue. This is really easy. I need just a sharp point to kind of emboss around. Find the flowers I want. And you really do have to just kind of, you know, feel around as you place your flowers down, your tissue. So that looks good. Any part of this tissue would be fine. It's so pretty. And I'm just kind of running the ends of these sharp scissors around the inside of the mold where the tissue will fit in. And then just rip it out. And look at how fast that is. Okay, move my tissue for a second. Grab your decoupage medium, and then you just brush on a coat. And I'm going to keep these frames white. I'm not going to do anything fancy, at least not now. And then you just drop the tissue in, smooth that out. Oh, look at how pretty that is. These are just so gorgeous, you guys. I just love them. Then you apply a coat of decoupage. And you let that dry. And we'll do the other one too. And let me see, which colors do I want? Maybe these peach. I'm making such a mess with this tissue. All right, let's see. So you apply, kind of run around with your fingers so you have an idea where that is. And then I just grab my scissors, the point, and go around. Very, very easy. I like easy. And then just pull that shape out. I think this would be like the most wonderful gift. I would love to receive something like this for Christmas. Handmade is just the best. You apply your coat of decoupage medium, and grab your tissue, just kind of drop that in and press it out from the middle. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let me finish it before I show you the two of them. You have to finish it with a coat of decoupage. And there you go. It's that easy. This is a really, really easy project. Look at those. Oh my God. I just love them. So you guys, check it out. I'll have the entire Iron Orchid mini gallery video up on the Surface Anthology YouTube channel. If you want to join the Merry Makers Ornaments of the Month Club, and as your first kit, you will get a full, where is it? You're going to get a Iron Orchid Cameos mold, a full brick of Iron Orchid air dry clay, and that's just the beginning, because we're going to be making these really beautiful ornaments. It's going to be packed with everything that you need. And somebody asked me about my membership. If you are a decorative painter, a furniture painter, a designer who wants to kind of really dive deep into furniture painting techniques, please, hey Courtney, Tammy Stott, where's Tammy? I bet she's doing a live or she's out in the field. Follow Flippin' Furniture, right, Courtney? And Tammy and Courtney have this wonderful, wonderful page. They also have a membership. And Tammy is a farmer also, and she's out in the combine. This is harvest time. But I have a membership for decorative painting, for furniture painters, decorative painters of all kind, and you can find all that good stuff at surfaceanthology.com. So go check it out and join us. Courtney, thanks for watching. Everybody, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy painting.